Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to hard reset your SONOS Arc Ultra. You have to start by unplug the cord, and after that plug it again and press and hold Bluetooth button until you can see that this LED light it starts flashing orange and white. Here we go. And now we should wait until this LED light starts to be green. Here we go, and we just make it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!